family on your way home, and an early heads up if you're off again this weekend for the New Year's Eve celebrations. There's another potential low pressure which could make for some pretty challenging conditions as well. Heavy rain, maybe even some snow through northern England at lower levels along with Scotland as well, and widespread gale force gusts of winds. More on that in just a moment. Storm Gerrit has now moved off into Scandinavia, but we're still under the influence of this low pressure. The isobars squeezing together. The winds have been a feature this morning. Gusts in excess of 50 to 70 miles an hour. And yes, we've got further rumbles of thunder and lightning through Wales and northwest England. So that rain is going to drift its way steadily eastwards. We'll see a line of potent showers through Lincolnshire, down into the Midlands, down towards the southwest. It'll narrow off and probably not arrive into London till after dark. Plenty of showers into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Gusty winds as well, perhaps lighter winds in Scotland, but certainly noticeable winds quite widely across the country. That might make it feel just that little bit cooler than these temperatures suggest, but they're still on the mild side for the bulk of us. 11 to 13 degrees, a little bit cooler in the far north of Scotland. That cold air sits in place through the night, and with a northerly wind, we could see some of those showers turning wintry to higher ground. There will be further showers across Northern Ireland and Northern England, and a spell of very wet weather easing away from southeast England as well. So as we go into Friday, we can split the country into three on the whole. Cold start with some wintry showers into northern Scotland, rain or sharper showers into Northern Ireland and Northern England, and with a westerly wind feeding in some showers across southwest England and Wales, which will gradually drift their way steadily south and east as we go through the afternoon. Here's our highs, 5 to 11 degrees. Now, as we move out of Friday into the start of the weekend, this is what I was talking about. Here's the next area of low pressure. Once again, bringing some very wet weather as it pushes its way steadily north. As it bumps into that colder air, that's where we could see some snow in Scotland and perhaps into northern England. Widespread gale force gusts of winds, pretty miserable conditions for trying to get from A to B on Saturday. That low pressure will gradually start to move its way steadily eastward, so a miserable Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday is, of course, New Year's Eve. But it does mean for Scotland a slightly quieter day, potentially on New Year's Eve. Sharp showers and blustery winds elsewhere. Don't expect much change for New Year's Day as well. It stays unsettled and a little cooler. Lucy.